glad everybody's here for the premiere of Radio Voice. I hope you love the film as much as we loved it when we created the movie.
Working with RMD made it seamless actually.
And if you know RMD, you already know this is going to be a banger, so that's for sure.
What do you expect? It's going to be perfection.
RMD is an industry icon, so I'm expecting something really iconic this evening. And it's a star-studded movie, actually.
I mean, the legend RMD put together a movie. I expect nothing short of excellence.
Have you seen the lineup? The actors. Say RMD, Deyemi, Nancy, Timini, Damilola, come on. Lolonze, come on, drop mic.
Morning Juice right here on Power FM. The phone lines are open.
You're doing an amazing job. I stopped listening to Power FM, but last week I heard your voice, and since then I have not missed the morning juice.
We need to talk.
We have nothing to talk about. Mommy, are you in a shower?
Sometimes it hurts you cannot speak.
You know damn well she's a prostitute.
I expect you to do your job. Okay, but you know let them use you to give me my money.
We might not be responsible for the cards we are dealt. We are responsible for how we play them.
It was tough, but it was also fun because these are people that we know each other and I enjoy. We have mutual respect for our work and each other, so it was good.
I expect to enjoy myself because I was on set with my daughter and I was there at the beginning of everything, so I honestly don't know what to expect, but I know I'm gonna have fun. I know I'm gonna enjoy the film.
Over the last 5 years, you can see Nollywood is not where it used to be. We have gone like ages and ages. You know, I'm moving, and in the next 5 years, it's going to be exponential movements. So for you guys that say I don't watch Nollywood movies, we are here to change your mind.
The role I played in Radio Voice was Asisime's daughter, and filming on that set was one of the best experiences of my life. And filming alongside a legend like RMD was very amazing for me.
There's need for our stories to connect with the audience a bit more, you know, to have so that we can reach, so we have more of our audience connecting to our local content more, to love our local content, you know. I think that's where I feel we need to bridge the gap, you know. Technically, we're getting better by the day, you know. Story narrative, a bit of hitches here and there sometimes, but I think we've improved over the years, you know, very tremendously. We have, but I'm hopeful that, you know, what is more important to me is that, you know, like virtually every Nigerian can love Nollywood like they love Niger music, like Niger songs, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm excited about the premiere tonight because it's a star-studded list of actors. We have the greatest of all time, Richard Mofe-Damijoy himself. We have Inkpe Nse-Etim. We have Nancy Simet, Timini Adedami, Blossom, and Deyemi. So, guys, it's going to be an amazing movie.
Well, Nollywood has evolved. The evolution is evident. You can see how far our movies are traveling, from Netflix to Prime to the diaspora in general. So we are evolving. Movie making skills are better. We have we use the latest cameras, we use the latest gears. So we have evolved really good.
One bright morning,
Baby, this is amazing. Your sexiness won't kill you.
Carol. FM was #1 when Caro ran things.
Past tense. We've been stuck in limbo for 2 years. We need to move on.
Happy birthday to you.
So he wanted two looks. He wanted a casual look for the radio, and he wanted the African look. So he came to us and we delivered as well.
I am looking forward to an interesting experience. I think RMD has been around a very long time, which is a testament to his talent and tenacity as a professional. And I'm expecting a fantastic story. I love his productions, I love his films. and I'm expecting a very tasteful experience.
You know, you think, oh, he's a legend, he's been doing this for a long time, so he might be a bit uptight, but he just makes everything easy. Like, everyone on set is at ease with him. You know, he knows this work. Like, you can wake him up like this and he's ready to go, and he will give you 100% every single time. So I enjoyed working with him. You know, I want to do it again and again and again.
There were tough days and bad days. I mean, there were days when, you know, we had pushed everybody a little bit too hard, and so the tempo will go down a little bit and all that. At some point, we had to break for a day, another day. Yes, because the director came to me and the producers and said, Papa, the crew is tired. We want one more day to rest. And I said, okay. You know what that means for executive producer, right?
Working on Radio Voice was exciting. It was fun. It was a thrill for me because it was an experience that I can't pay for. I get to produce a Richard Mofe-Damijo film. That's a blessing because I grew up watching him as Shego Kaduri in Checkmates, and here I am as a producer of his feature film. It's a blessing. That's really what I can use to describe it. It's a blessing.
Power FM is struggling.
I don't care.
I'm taking over Power FM.
It's been over a week now. You need motivation.
You know me now.
You don't hey! Uche, I know you're in there.
I see you tip on make we no count with your own other names.
Uche is such an amazing cook.
I've been trying to get through to you for the longest. All I get are grunts and the occasional smile.
It's difficult. It makes me feel like I'm betraying her.
Please place your key so you can come in anytime.
Soon, the cancer will be gone. Things will be back to normal.
I love you, Mr. Ogene.
I love you, Mrs. Ogene.
We can do this the easy way or we can do this the hard way, Uche.
Do the what?
You can't possibly expect me to share my show with her.
Somebody find my way.
Oh, we've grown in leaps and bounds. We're not where we want to be, but we're certainly not where we started. You know, we have really grown.
I mean, styles change with time and all of that, you know. He's still the same personality, but his style might change, you know. Basically, but he's the same person I know over the years. He's still our bros. He's still the same guy that I love so much. He's a man I strongly admire him because of the way he's so passionate about the arts. You know, he doesn't play with it. You know, like someone of his magnitude, someone who's been in like politics, the judiciary, and he also doesn't play with the arts. And I always say that it's all about the passion. If you love it, if you love the arts, then it's going to work for you. I mean, a lot of people just want to get in because they want to make money. It still works, but the most important thing that gives longevity is your love for something. It happens in all industry. It happens in anything you want to do. You want to be a doctor, you want to be a pilot, you want to be a lawyer. You love it, you'll be outstanding. You'll come out outstanding at it.
You can see it. I mean, here we are, you know, from home videos to cinemas, you know, and to who knows where next we're going. But a lot more collaborations with other woods, hopefully. It's already happening, but we need it on a larger scale.
My advice to upcoming creators is to stay true to your craft and be consistent. I promise you, consistency is the most difficult thing, so you have to be super consistent, and there are dividends to be met at the end.
Hey y'all, keep watching Spice TV.